And these are the few other companies which are using Python for forecasting, like Forecast Watch, real-time online advertisement. AppNexus, Altis is using for multi-manager, multi-asset risk management, and scientific laboratories like Los Alamos, which is a top national laboratory in the US. So they are also using it for simulation, visualization of the scientific data. And if you look at the history, this is the guy, Guido van Rossum, who started Python. Conceptualized Python in 1980, and the Python started almost the same time as that of uh, Java. Java started in 1995. Python also started in 1994, the version 1.0 of the Python. And this programming language is called as Python. It is nothing because it is a big snake or something like that. Because this Rossum was very much a big fan of a um, reality show called Monty Python's Flying Circus. Because of that, he kept this name as Python, and he continues to be the heading the core development team and giving the direction to the other members. As you see, the Python is now you have 3.0 version, and we have versions like if you look at the version history, so 2.7 was one of the famous version of the Python. That's in 2010. After that, all 3.0 came in, and the